Georgetown Technical College in Pensacola, Florida, where real skills, real careers, and real opportunities begin. For more than 50 years, Georgetown has trained the workforce that keeps Northwest Florida moving. From public safety and healthcare to aviation, marine service, welding, cybersecurity, automotive, culinary arts, cosmetology, and more. Every program is built for hands-on learning and real-world success. Students train with industry-standard equipment, experienced instructors, and a support system designed to help them graduate, earn certifications, and step directly into high-demand careers. But Georgetown isn't just a school. It's a community partner, a place where future firefighters, EMTs, and law enforcement officers prepare to protect our neighborhoods, where technicians, builders, and IT professionals gain the skills local employers rely on, where adults of all ages find a second chance, a new direction, with a career they always wanted. Affordable, practical, focused on the future. Georgetown Technical College, training the people who strengthen Pensacola, one skill, one student, one career at a time.